Hey, Chris from Emigh Hardware here today talking about the 2-burner Flatrock from Traeger. Traeger came out with their Flatrock a couple years ago, took the barbecue world by storm. Everyone was looking for a griddle. What this is, it's a slightly smaller version of the Flatrock that we all know and love, but it's got 2 burners. The lower profile is going to be better for patios, maybe backyards that don't have quite as much space. Still has everything you love from the Flatrock. It's got what they call the FlameLock technology, so the griddle actually sits a little bit lower in the unit itself. Make sure you don't have any wind coming through and blowing out the flames. The sides drop down, makes it really easy to store, once again, if you don't have a ton of space. And it's got nice little windows right there, so you can actually take a look at the flame, make sure everything's burning exactly how you want it. Come on down to Emigh Hardware, check out the new Flatrock 2-burner.